Watch this video until the end and listen to this important message.
In today's video, we will be discussing an incredible manifestation technique using the number 777. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first to receive updates on my videos. This trick is extremely powerful, and it involves placing the number 777 on a piece of paper along with any amount of money, and hiding it inside your home. You'll be amazed at the results. The key to this technique is to believe in it, trust in it, and have faith in it. Remember, the universe is full of surprises, and you have the power and energy within yourself to make this method work. As Jesus said in Matthew 17:20, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you. So don't hesitate, keep watching this video until the end, and I will tell you exactly how you can perform this technique at home. Before we start with the method, there are a few ingredients that we need. First, a piece of paper. You can use any kind of paper you have on hand. Second, a spray bottle, or if you don't have one, any kind of clean water will work. And lastly, a pen. You can use any color pen you have, including red, black, or green. To start, write the number 777 on the piece of paper and add any amount of money you desire, as well as your name. This is to specify where the money should go. Next, take your pen and fill it with confidence, hope, and positivity. After that, hide the piece of paper somewhere in your home. Use your spray bottle or water to manifest the money, and pour the water into a small container or bowl. If you have sea salt, you can add a pinch to the water, but if you don't have any, it's okay, the method will still work. Finally, believe in the power of the universe, and be open to receiving its miracles. So what are you waiting for? Write the number 777, add any amount of money, and watch the miracle unfold in front of your eyes. Trust in the universe, and it will surprise you just like it has surprised others. Keep watching, and I'll show you every step of the way.
Type Amen if you believe in miracles. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now,